Kagaya kanina. O sige nga, kung may plastic na, sino-sino. Ganyanin mo siya.
Paris letter
Kaya mo
tapos
makasagot ba?
Marating yun doon sa baliktarin na niya, ikaw na yung magiging topic.
Oo. Tingnan mo kanina, si Divine diretso bumalik si Divine.
Oh, he went
Ang
straight.
galing!
He went straight
Nag-ano
to
nga,
a
sayang na
girl.
eh. O, ba't ka pumunta kay Divine?
Imang buwan na! Kalabas ka
Yun.
na lahat! Wala talaga!
Diba?
Nabaliktad niya na kaagad.
Mamatay ma, wala
Ah,
talaga.
oh, you can't even look at me in the eye.
It's all a learning curve for all of us. Me still controlling it in. Bamo needs to learn how to be me. Dean slowly expressing herself.
Okay, then,
Talk to me!
I need to let go slowly.
Alam mo, ano pa sabi?
Wait, ano?
Diba?
Ante, before nun.
Dean slowly expressing herself.
Hindi na ako ngayon, grabe, ang tagal na nito.
Malapit na. Pag ulitin niya, may sasabihin talaga ako na...
Vigo's the first time I saw him
Kanina.
stand up. Diba?
Asar na ako, pare ko. Puno na ako.
No, that's why I was walking behind him.
Malapit na! Kumakain na ako.
No.
Sinong panalo? Panalo siya.
Oo, kaya nga.
Talo ka.
Nakita ko si parang Kevin. Nagkasa si Pamo, bigel ka man. Parang nagano na yung ako. Tapos inano niya ako, hinatak niya ako papuntang ano eh.
And Kevin, for sure, you. Diba? Kasi you're really close to Paco.
First
So
time
this is like the first time you're kind of experiencing this type of thing.
I'm sure sila dalawa, alam nila anong ugali ni Paco, pero
First time mo nang
I'm sure you know he's like that. Pero sila, mabait kasi sila eh.
Ako din, di ba,
And
recently?
sila yung ka-teammate talaga. Oh.
Hindi, tsaka recently, di ba,
To be honest, from what I've seen so far, I'm kind of disappointed. Because I'm pretty close to Paco.
Ano yun?
Pero yun nga, sabi ko, hindi kailangan laging intindihin siya, sasabihin niya sa kanya kung ano yung mali niya. Pero hindi rin siya marunong makinig.
Huwag kayo mapayag na yung auto-sususan.
Kung sa akin man, kung task man yun o hindi, mali pa rin yung ginagawa.
Diba? Huwag yung mapayag na magiging under-under ka niya.
No, parang, yun nga, di ba, medyo nag-uusap-usap din kami.
Ikaw, kung may sarili kang desisyon, ikaw
Kasi,
mag-decide.
ang dami.
Sarili mong ano.
Ako talaga, simula nung una pa lang sa kanya, sabihin ko sa inyo, simula nung una pa lang sa kanya, nayabangan na ako eh. Ito
Ako
yun.
din, sabi ko dati hindi ko siya makakasundo, pero pinipilit ko makasundo.
Napilit ko, siyempre nasa isang bahay tayo. Kailangan natin bilo. Ayoko yung may kagalit, ganyan.
Feeling ko, he doesn't treat PBB na parang,
Sabi mo lang pa mo.
Parang family ano.
competition talaga.
The first week, he was all like,
Competition naman talaga, pero
first week,
ibang level, he's winning.
yeah, I don't want to
willing
leave
to
yet. You don't
win
get famous after the first week.
Oo,
Oh my
kahit
God,
anong
pakialam
gawin
for the
mo, wala kang... Kahit
Diba?
Kahit ano pang
Sunugin
kailangan
yung
niya,
bahay.
sunugin
I mean,
yung bahay, sunugin
what-
niya lahat.
gagawin niya talaga.
Oo.
Yung
Mga ukulele.
We all have different reasons.
gagawin niya yun.
Pero kung sayo kay Lena na yun, abasagin, gagawin niya yun.
Oo, si Paco may pagkano din yan eh.
Yung sabi nga,
May
baka
sarili siyang
to it.
selfish.
Pero grabe,
Lead mo sila sa way na
Siya.
it's not like that. Hindi to.
Ano pa naman ako? Hanga pa naman ako sa mga tao matatalino.
Wag.
Sinabi ko kagabi yun.
tell her there are
They're already lost with the food. They've already given them food.
oo nga no, baka may something.
Pare ko, sabi ko pa naman sa kanya kagabi, hanga pa naman ako sa matatalino. Sa'yo, parang Flicker, parang kuya kay Kuya Roy. Tapos gano'n. Nagbago yung ano ko sa kanya. Grabe. Hindi.
Make them sit down there.
Nabawal ko yung salita ko na yun. Kainig yung suka ko na.
Wala kayong masabi sa
And for the people outside, I have nothing against them. So.
Oo, hindi natin sila kilala.
I have nothing against them whatsoever. Just saying that out there. Nothing against them. Because I don't even know them. So.
Yeah. It's just a class to do.
Task talaga nila yun.
Oh, tama.
Hindi. Tapos pansinin nyo, hindi niya ako pinapansin.
They weren't expecting na
Kasi siguro ikaw alam mo.
Kasi alam ko, ayun talaga. May alam talaga ako na
May alam ka.
once ako,
sabi ni Kuya is,
Tsaka takot siya sa
patay
iyo.
siya. Takot siya. Takot
Ilag
talaga
nga ni,
yan.
ilag. Kanina ilag siya kay Tin.
Ha? Takot talaga yan.
Si
Alam
Paco
talaga
mismo,
ako.
takot naman yun eh. Power trip lang yun sa kanya. Kung sino lang susunod sa kanya.
Ay, grabe kanina parang. Nagkilig yung naman ko. First time ko naramdaman yun. Grabe. Nagkilig yung katawan ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga gawin yun. First time ko naramdaman yun.
But then also, you know, we shouldn't feel any pity for them outside because they've been through PBB, so they know what the feeling is like.
Napanood nila tayo, kaya alam nila kung ano talaga ang
Don't say that, but they went through the experience.
Tagalogin mo.
Nagkaroon na sila ng eksperyensya.
Oo.
Diba?
Sila?
Oo, sila. Siyempre sila. Lahat.
Dito sila galing eh. May ilaw ba sa CR?
Ano ba ang feelings? Ano, yung mabait ka pag ikay napuno, kung talagang mago ka talaga.
Go-go?
Sabi kasi ng lolo ko, yung mabait masamang magalit. Ay, grabe kanina ko. Buti na lang. First time ko nangyari yun talaga. Kami di parang Kijoy, nagkakaganunan pero hindi naman. Bati na kagad kami. Nagkatawanan na kami. Diba? Pero yung kanina, grabe yun.
Yes.
Wala sila nito.
Wow, what is this?
The sticky Pokemon.
No!
I don't wanna miss it.
Oh, wow.
Sarap! Thank you, bye!
Kanin to?
Tulog ka?
Pangyema.
Polvoron.
Pero wala ka.
Wow, the bun, this is really good. Work out later then?
Yeah, we're gonna work out.
Alam sa iyo, like, tag read.
No.
Meron pang workout ngayon.
Oo, sinasaway na. Nagsasawayan na.
So fluffy.
Malala na.
Parang siyang bread.
No, I hear them. They're making fun of us of our food right now. So don't even give them anything.
Antayin natin mag 7 o'clock. Talagang walang ilaw. Wala silang ilaw. Kumabi na. Tingnan natin.
Isang way din ito. Away. Or,
Wala nga, hindi nga makauwi.
hindi kasi merong iba.
Oh, the bun, this is really good.
Pag halimbawa, sinabihan mo, uy, mahirap. Pag sinabihan mo yung isa paano mo
Dami.
magsasabing tapos merong magsasabi, may magre-react. Uy, wag ka dyan, wag ka dyan. Sabihan mo kung sino yung nagsabi niya. Baka si Carlo.
Ito, ba't mo kainin?
Boses to tao. Kung sino yung makipag-usap na gawin. Tapos dun, from there, pwede sila
Tamo.
mapaisip yung isa.
Huwag ka.
Bakit hindi ko sila makapag?
Makatingin eh.
Thank you, Javon. Ano naman pare kayo sometimes?
Hindi ko alam.
Nabi na, sometimes ha?
Minsan.
Nabi mo na ako sometimes ha? Bakit sometimes ha? Guys?
Minsan.
Nakain
Ba't
mo?
nagkikwento tayo minsan? Hindi naman ha?
Yes, of course.
Grabe ba?
I think I can eat this one without getting sick. It's not
I
like
want
powdery.
that.
Vamos. Set up the bun. How'd you do that? Talaga? No way.
Ano ko ito?
Yung isang condiment. Ingredient.
Yung pampalapok?
Yung, di ba nagtikman mo? Tapos walang ano.
Ang lata.
Oh.
Parang kanina? Pero iba pa ko ito.
Sinasaway.
I didn't add it. Wala na.
Wala akong paninindika.
Ay, wala tayong monggos.
Wow, sarap yan.
Any more?
Sarap.
Gusto ka?
Workout ha? Wala.
Huwag na, sobrang init dito.
Taba na.
Diba, don't you feel it?
Kahit dito ba, hangin eh.
No.
Okay lang yun, kahit magubad pa tayo.
We're in the Philippines, tama.
At balak nilang matulog.
Filipino like hot.
Natulog na tayo nakabreak.
Hindi ulitin.
True that, true that. La 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 la.
Pero sabi ni Paco, wala siya ng cigarettes. Wala na siya.
Gusto daw niyo mag-cigarettes.
I think kasi ginagamit niya yun pang
Pang palusot.
talk to you and to talk to Denise and
Yeah.
to be friends. Diba like,
But
he
it's
has
such a
cigarettes
juice.
out of this, kasi biglaan lang.
But it's such a juice because I had 2 packs and I gave him one of them. Now I'm being nice because I knew he smoked. I should have just kept them and been like, no, you can have one, but I'll smoke. But that's not who I am, so of course.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I mean, we all have different personalities.
Girl, shut up. You told me that's my last cigarette, okay? Okay.
Get his cigarettes.
That's what I'm gonna do, but I can't smoke.
You know, just keep it.
That's stealing now.
An eye for an eye.
Oh, I don't really care. It's just the fact that he lied.
Yeah. And you were being nice to him.
Just the fact that he lied. It's not nice to lie. It just says a lot about a person.
Yeah, I don't like to lie either.
Oo, kung ano naging kasalanan kayo natin.
No, it's an insult to the other person.
It's a fucking face.
If you like someone, parang sinasabi mo, I can get away with
Anything. And I can get away with
smart enough to get
manipulating.
women.
We don't know what
But
happened.
that's what he likes.
Violation.
He likes that
You
stuff.
make
Yeah, he was like 5. Yeah, it's just nothing. But don't steal.
I'm not going to.
Don't steal.
I'm not up for that one.
I just can't.
Yeah, that's just rude.
No. So my lighter.
Yeah, he was like 5. Diba, Seichi?
Sarap malay.
Sabi ko, akala ko.
No. Housemates?
Feeling ko, hindi na siya housemate.
Sa tingin ko, parang he's acting like he's not.
Yeah.
Housemates,
Kasi wala na siyang pakialam sa rules eh.
pinapatawan ko kayo ng force rules.
I don't know. If he is a housemate, good luck. Good luck.
Bigel, okay na to, no?
Pero bakit ganun? HOH pa rin siya.
Well, we don't. You know what?
Oh,
I don't know.
HOH siya, no?
Kaya yung gawin ni Kuya eh.
Yeah, pero, diba, sabi ni Kuya, they were gonna go to check. Yeah.
Oo. Tama.
Tapos baka binigay talaga ni Kuya yun kasi sa basa niya, isa lang tao upo dyan.
Oo. He knew that none of us were gonna sit on it.
Ako talaga upo ako doon kasi para bang inaano sa akin, wala akong panimik. Parang wala daw.
I'm not gonna lie though. As soon as I saw the videos and the clapping, it's like, oh man, I want to sit on it. May goosebumps ko.
No, ako na parang,
I had goosebumps.
ano ko lang, wow, it's so good to be big winner. But